So we are returning our Japan wireless router. Off ko lang muna siya. Ito. Oh. Lagay dito together with yung instructions niya. Instructions, what is it? Together with yung kasama lang is the cable. Ito. Place it here. Seal. Place it inside. Ito. Ihulog this will be returned to yung, there's an instruction here, oh. So this should be returned to before security gate, no? To Japan Wireless Delivery Center before security gate. Ihulog lang siya.
Okay.
So ang target namin ngayon is to find the post box.
Okay. I'll wait for you here.
So, ikon muna to. Seal muna siya. Teka. Ano ba the seal? Remove the... Tama, no? Remove it here. Tapos, seal. Seal, seal. Seal. Hintay mo ako dito? Ha? Post mo muna. So, ito na yun. So this one is Japanese post box, no? So before entering yung security gate, no? The instruction is before entering the security gate. Ayan na. The instruction is before entering security gate. I have to return this, no? Postal code. Kung ano to, meron na siyang address. Okay, so return, place it here inside. Okay, that completes the process. So we're at the Narita Airport before entering security gate, right? So yung flight namin is 6 PM pa, no? 6 PM. We'll be taking the Japan Airlines. Saan ba yung Japan Airlines? Sorry. Japan Airlines. Currency exchange here. So again, nandito yung post box pala, oh. Japan Airlines. Ito ba? Wow, departures. So Japan Airlines here. We can check in na siguro. Here for check-in. Okay. Check-in muna kami dito. No? So again, nandito yung post box, oh. This red thingy container.